All right, so there's tons of videos on how to take the bumper off, so I'm not gonna walk you through that. But after you got the bumper off, to change the headlight, you're gonna have to take out your little tabs, 1, 2, 3, to get up here to one of the bolts that hold in the headlight housing. The 10 mil, as always. There's one right there. There's one that goes in through here. And then there'll be one that goes in through here. Once you have that, this piece will come out. You're left with the headlight housing. Alright, now after that, should just be able to pull up and it comes out. Obviously don't yank on it. You gotta disconnect everything. Side marker. So once you disconnect those 4, then you can remove the whole housing. So once your 4 connectors are removed, be careful with them. The tab on this one was real flimsy, so when I pushed it in to remove it, came undone. Other than that, once you have them all removed, you can start the process of putting in the new one. You just work in reverse. We're going to connect the 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And work in reverse. You got it all back in. All your connectors plugged up. Put in your top bolt first, so that you can not have to hold your headlight while you put in your bottom 2 bolts. If you did it accidentally, you know, take out that 5th clip that they always tell you not to. Put that back on before you try and realign your headlight with the bottom 2 bolts. It'll make everything 10 times easier. Then once you got it all lined up, just start throwing them bitches in. So to put in that 5th clip, I don't know if you can see here, you just reach up behind the carpet, the fender liner, and you can put it in. Makes things a lot easier. You can see where it is right there. Should help the process.
You need this.
And after the headlight's in, just reattach the bumper, and yeah, that's it. So since no one wanted to do a tutorial on how to change these headlights, there you go, YouTube.